Hello everyone, welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today we're going to be unboxing a 2020 Hot Wheels. This is the Fast Gassin from the 2020 Hot Wheels Winter Series. And this was given to me as a gift on Christmas Day, I believe. You can tell it's a 2020 because it says that on the art card, on the artwork of the card, I should say. This is JV85, that's the number. Number 2 of 6 of that winter series for 2020, and here's the other cars you can get. I don't have any of the other ones. This is the only one I have. And 2020 is this copyright. I unboxed the 2021 Hot Wheels winter set, but have not opened any of the 2020 cars, and I just absolutely butchered the open, but I've been wanting to get this open so I could bring it with me to work today as a pocket roller. I actually really like this casting. And you can see that is Christmas-themed vehicle. It's got white deep dish 8 spokes, and they got a black stripe on them. And you can see that right there. There's the front of the vehicle. This vehicle first came out in 2009, and this casting used to have 6 wheels, but they retooled it to have 4 wheels recently. And you can see that nice chrome tank. All of that is chrome plastic. And it says Motor Oil Hot Wheels Winter 2020 on there, North Pole, and a snowman. And this is the Hot Wheels Winter symbol right there with the snowman and the Hot Wheels symbol. And I like the colors. It's chrome, red, and green. The green is the die-cast part of this casting. And I like the back. It's a tank truck, the Fast Gassin tank truck. I'm really liking it. Really liking it loose. Plastic base. Dang, it's cold out here. It's cold. 2020 Hot Wheels winter car. Thanks for tuning in and watching me unbox it. Subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next one.